going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Scoop. I'm back with another video. Today I want to do a real quick walk around of the LED lights that I got from Diode Dynamics. I put them in my car. I would have showed you guys how to install them, but it's kind of hard for me to try to hold the phone and install the lights at the same time. But like, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the sub button for me. I'm trying to get to 500 subs by the end of August. It's August 1st. You may see this video tomorrow, August 2nd. I may put it up tonight. I'm not sure. If you guys can help me get to 500 subs, I think I'm maybe like at 367 or something like that. But just make sure you hit the sub button for me. I really do appreciate it. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inside. It's a hell of a lot brighter in here too. It makes it looks better than those yellow lights that they originally put in. It's the dome lights up there and the two visors. Now I put them in the trunk also. Like I said, I got it from Diode Dynamics, and I will drop the link down below in the description. And I also picked one. I swapped my light out in the glove box. See, it's a whole lot brighter in here. They also make blue, purple, yellow, red, all those other colors. If you guys, these are pure whites right here, so if you guys don't want the pure white, they also make other colors like red, blue, yellow, and all that other stuff. Of course, I got the LED fog lights and headlights to match. So now, man, my car is completely set up how I want it to be set up now. And make sure you guys follow me on Gram at Scoop392. I will follow back. Like I said, guys, I'm trying to reach 500 subs by the end of August. Now, when I reach 500 subs, I will be doing the giveaway, to show you guys my appreciation. Let you guys see the muffler. Alright guys, I ain't gonna take up too much of y'all time. I just wanted to show you guys the LED lights I put in my car. And I will drop the link down below. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the sub button. And this your boy Scoop. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.